Hey everybody, it's Peter from Brantford Kia. One of the most common questions I get asked is how do I work the settings and features on my car? And the reality is it's intimidating. There's a lot of features and options in your car. So in this video, I'm going to show you where to find all of the features and settings in your car, how to make changes, and a couple tricks that I use to make sure that you don't screw anything up that you can't change back. This is your Kia class. All right, so I'm in the 2021 Kia Sorento, and this vehicle does not have something in the dash here, and it's actually easier for me to film. But I want to show you in case your vehicle has the information in the dash. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this menu button. So this is like the two sort of pages back to back. That's your menu button. That's going to move things side to side. And then you're going to use this button to go up and down in the menus. And in this case, I press this in to select. Sometimes you have an OK button down here. And I want to show you that because, let me just zoom in for 1 second. You can go across, using the menu button to go across, you can go across over here. Now, usually the very last one on this menu, you can see across the top, I'm moving across. The very last menu is a gear icon. If your car has a gear icon there, that's what I want you to do. If it doesn't, then I'm going to show you how to use it over here. Now, I'm already a little step ahead, so let's go back to the home page here. You want to find your settings menu wherever it is. So if this is the newest software, but whatever you've got, you want to swipe across usually or find out where your settings are. Then you want to hit setup, and then you want to hit vehicle setup. So the vehicle gear icon. From there, you'll have all kinds of menus, and this will be identical to what is in your dash, all of these kinds of menus. The reason this is a little better is because I don't have to hit the up and down arrow on my steering wheel, and that's why they've moved some of these controls over here. Now, any menu you have, no matter what you're in, there's only a couple options. There's not a whole lot. You either have a little arrow like this, which brings you into that menu, so driving convenience, for instance, and then you have a checkbox or nothing, or just a single thing. So I can check that checkbox on or off easily to do everything. Everything you have in your car is either going to be in the gear icon over here, or it's going to be in the vehicle setup over here. And in some cases, it will be in both. And there is nothing that doesn't have either a little arrow or a checkbox. So this one's different just because it's the heated seats. You can turn on the rear heated seats, but there's nothing here that doesn't have a little arrow or a checkbox. So if it has an arrow, you're going to go into a sub menu. Now, if you want to do something and make a change here, and you're afraid to do something, use your phone just like I am right now and take a video of what you hit, or just take a picture of the menu you want to change. So for instance, if I want to make sure I'm just changing this, I could just take a picture of where it was when I started or which checkbox was there when I started, and that will bring it back to normal. Where that makes a difference is in something like your sound. Let's go to maybe convenience and some of these types of things. You may forget, did I have my rear wiper on in reverse or not? Did I have my wireless charging system on? Was my rear occupant system alert on or off? If you change any of those settings or the welcome mirror and lights, if you change some of these settings, you may not notice them every time. So just take a little picture or video, and that will help you. So I want you to go through those menus because sometimes what happens is people are very overwhelmed by the amount of features in their car or the amount of safety or the amount of other features that they just really don't understand. So spend a half an hour, spend 15 minutes, spend 5 minutes, go through those menus, see what's there, and don't be afraid to click those menus back and forth. If you're the kind of person that wants to make sure you're back to factory default, there's usually a reset to factory default button, or just snap a picture of the one that you want to change so you know what it was at factory default. Don't be afraid to change them. Don't be afraid to at least look at them so you know what they are, and you may find a whole bunch of features that your car had that you didn't know about. So this is your Kia class. We do this every week, twice a week. It's about 3 to 7 minute how-to video. We also go live from this video bay every weekday at 2 o'clock Eastern time to teach you about the new Kia product. So if there's anything you want to know about a Kia, I hope I can earn your subscription to our channel, and we hope to earn your business as well. We are Brantford Kia. Give us a call, 519-304-6542. Thanks everybody for watching.